We are going to do some fertilizing. Now, I bought this from Walmart because somebody recommended it to me through the comment section. They was like, hey, you should try Sunday lawn fertilizer. So here we are. Now, I'm not going to lie, Sunday products are pretty pricey, but this one I got at a decent price. So I'm not sure if they was actually talking about this one, but they said I should try out Sunday fertilizer. Okay, I couldn't find the Sunday weed and feed when I was in the store, and I didn't get it online because I wanted to hurry up and start fertilizing, because right now we're still in the beginning of April and now the grass is actively growing. Step one, step two, apply through the growing season. Just showing y'all all of this so y'all can see the specs. Apply every 4 to 6 weeks when lawn is growing. So we're going to apply some now. I don't know if I'm going to apply it again. I might try something else, but definitely we're going to check out to see how fast and how green how fast it grows and how green the lawn gets. One thing I like about this bottle is right here. I wish all bottles did this, so it lets you know the square footage of your usage. If you don't know the square footage of your lawn, I can show you. Right here I have a tool for you. This is a cobalt measuring tool, and this measure out for your lawn and whatever you measuring for, block, brick, and all of this. I had this tool for many years. If I find one online, I will go ahead and post it for you. But basically, you measure your length and then you multiply it by your width, and that's how you get your square footage. Here, you can just set it on a nail or something if you put a nail up, but we're just going to put it on the ground and then walk it out. We're just getting a rough estimate, you guys. All right, 60 foot. You know what? I just go to the fence, even though I'm not going to spray all of this. Right here we got 36, but then I have my little side pieces over there and over there. We'll do 60 by 50 just to be on the safe side, because we have our side lawns. All right, you guys, so once again, I am going to be pumping in a lot of nitrogen in here, and this right here is on and off. Right there you have this yellow clip. This is like a safety, cracking the seal. Now we're going to turn our water on, and it almost kicked in our face. All right, turn our water on. That was close. 50 by 60, something like that. 50 by 60, I don't even remember. And that should be about, what, 3,000 gallons, 2,500, 3,000, I said gallons, 3,000 square foot. So right there, we're just gonna monitor our square foot as we spray. All right, you guys, when you spray, you wanna go start from your furthest and then work your way back home. Twist, and we turn it on, and that's how it comes out. Now let me see something. All right, now, all right, so that's it. And 3,000 square foot, almost right there. But that will be it, you guys. I will give y'all an update when I am done. I'm gonna upload this one now, but then I'll give you like a 1 week later update and all of that to see how many inches. All right, you guys, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. I will do another week later review to see how fast the grass is growing.